Imported. The MicroFlip is a powerful lighted pocket microscope with a flip-down slide base and a smartphone Digi scoping adapter clip. Magnification. 100x-250x power field microscope is LED lighted and contains a built-in UV flashlight, powered by one AA battery, not included. Great educational field microscope for multiple hobbies, tasks, learning and exploration. Ideal microscope for kids, students and professional usage. Included accessories: smartphone Digi scoping adapter clip, one starter slide with cover slip and wrist strap. Product dimensions: LXWXH, 2.4 by 1.25 by 4.3. Extremely lightweight, portable and compact design. Compatible with nearly all smartphones. For iPhone 13 Pro, Pro Max, please download the Carson Cam app from the App Store on your smartphone to pre-select the primary camera, as it may not function properly with the standard camera app. Top reviews from the United States. I'm very impressed with this microscope, especially for its price and size. I bought it to take with me on hikes and for my general curiosity, and the first day I used it to look at fleas I picked off a stray kitten in fostering. It worked great and I could see the flea's jaws moving and got a clear image of its head. I'm excited to bring this with me on hikes. I'm sure I'll find many interesting things in creeks and lakes. Smiley face.